Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My favorite girl is back on another one. You want to make your woman happy during the moment, so let's discuss that today on this channel. One thing is that for men, it doesn't take time for them to get all ready, and typically men would just want to just do within a space of 0 to 5 seconds, and before 5 seconds they are all ready and they are ready to dig. But you can typically say the same for a woman, because our body and the men's body aren't the same. Women's body need a lot of time. You need to spend a lot of time on your woman's body, work on it for seconds or even minutes to get her all ready and aroused and ready and wet and dripping for you to enjoy the moment equally with her. And one thing you need to understand is that being wet doesn't really mean that she is ready for the moment or for the act. It might only be that she's just getting ready to be ready. So there are a lot of things that you need to look out for if you want to make your woman happy during the moment. So just know that you are a man and it doesn't take time. Just men are visual. I know that. Just looking at your woman or just remembering one beautiful encounter you had with your wife could just spring the emotion up in you and just make you be ready in just a second. But it is not the same for the woman. You need to put in some work, and that is what we are going to be talking about now. So the number one thing is take it slow and easy. Don't rush into it, because your woman won't feel the excitement when you're rushing. It feels like you're just rushing to get it all done and satisfy your own self and move to another thing, another activity. She wants you to feel like you want to die on top that body. You want to die on top what you're doing. She wants you to feel like you're ready to spend the whole day stimulating her body and making her all happy and making her enjoy the moment that you guys are in together. So you don't need to be in a rush. You need to take it slow, because there are a lot of things to do, and no matter what you're starting first with or what you're ending with, you still need to take it slow, except it gets to a point whereby she wants you to go fast and she's going to communicate that to you. But number one point, I would advise you take it slow and easy. Number two, ask her what she wants. Sometimes knocking have to all be about your partner. Of course, most times we have to be selfless and not just think about ourselves, but let's say today we are pleasing someone else and not ourselves. So when you go ahead to asking her what she wants, you'll be able to understand her better and understand what she likes. So when you're in the middle of foreplay, which goes with kissing, and once you're doing that kissing, you're doing it slow and easy, gentle, because of course you're working with the skin, and skin is soft. You're not working on stone, so you need to take it easy, because you don't need to harm her or hurt her. So whether you're kissing, whether you're touching, whether you're caressing, whatever you're doing, whether you're doing oral, you need to take it easy and ask her what she wants. What do you like? And sometimes we find it very difficult to even communicate to our men what we actually like, or it is not everyone that will be bold enough to ask us what we actually want. So if you're a lady and your man was bold enough to ask you what you want, don't be shy to say what you want if you really want to enjoy the moment with your man. And if your woman is not bold enough relating to you what she wants, you can actually read her expression. Once you're doing something, read her body move, how she twitches her body, what she says, how she moans, how she makes sounds. That will actually communicate to you if she's really enjoying it or she isn't enjoying it. And one thing with asking what you like could actually help ease the tension that the both of you might have during the moment, because you feel like I need to please her, and she also feels like I need to please you, or he needs to do what I like. When you both go ahead discussing what each other likes, it's going to help ease the tension and help you to actually welcome yourself into what you're doing and feel relaxed a little bit, so that you'll be able to achieve what you want to achieve during the moment. Number 3, kiss. So French kiss doesn't necessarily mean that it is the best kiss. In fact, a lot of women don't like French kiss. You want to kiss the lips. Is one of the softest parts of the body, and you're working with the lips. You need to be very careful. Take it gently, be slow with it. You don't need to rush like you're in front of a war zone, and your woman would appreciate it if you take it gently. I have done a tutorial on how to kiss on my main channel, and I was ranting about a partner that I had that wanted to spit everything into my face, my ear, and all that. So in case you don't know how to kiss, you can go check out that video to learn more on how to kiss or work on your woman's lips. So women actually love kissing. Some men love it, yeah, but because they are always in a hurry to get done with the activity, they don't take their time in doing that. So women love it. Take your time, build that passion with kiss. When you're kissing, you're using your fingers to work on the entire body, and you're nurturing the body, you're pampering the body, and you're trying to get the body ready for what is to come. So note today that women love kissing, and take it gently, take it slow. Enjoy that kiss with her so that you get her body ready, so that the both of you can enjoy the moment equally. Number 4, fondle her the right way. So it has progressed from kissing to another level, and this is the time where you use your hands on her, and you need to do it the right way. I also left a video on this channel on foreplay ideas that can please your woman. So most of the foreplays has to do with your hands, so you can go check out the video and see how to foreplay, the things that you can do with your hands. And if you want to do it the right way. So fumble her the right way, massage her body, pamper her with your hands. Number 5, let her wait a little while. Like, if you want her to go wild, you want her to enjoy the entire moment, you're taking it slow. You don't need to go to her most zone down there, the kitty. It is not something you need to rush into. In fact, once you're doing the kissing and maybe fumbling, her neck, her shoulders, her body, her waist is enough to warn her, to want you to just go in, but you want her to enjoy it more. So you're not going to rush into her most zones. You're going to just let her wait. Make her suffer a little, make her beg for it. So there are so many things you can still do with your hands. You can massage her thighs. There's so many other places you can touch. Massage her thighs and her legs, her body, her scalp, while working with your lips. And the eye contact is one thing, and you're going to see how she's going to groan more and wanting for more. So make her want it, make her beg for it. If you can do that, I'm telling you, she's going to confess to you that this one is special. Because if you've not made your woman to beg for it, I don't know what you're doing since. So with all these points that I've given you, it's going to help your partner to dream of and be ready for you. This is how to please her. So the main thing is not just going in and you're pounding like jackrabbits. You need to be patient, be slow with her, take your time, ask her what she wants. These tips are going to help you to allow your woman to enjoy the moment with you, and I'm sure you find this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, share the video, leave a comment down there below in the comment section if you have anything to say to me at all. And once you've subscribed, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified once I upload new videos. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Mwah.